Good morning. Welcome to online classes. Today we shall learn about some of the models. Modal verbs are used to convey some special ideas. The function of modal verbs are conveying of some ideas. So for that the modal verbs are used. We will learn about the use of various modal verbs in detail. So first we shall see can. Can is a modal verb in its present form used to express one's ability and also to ask permission in an informal way. So can is one function of can is to show our ability, show one's ability, and another one is to ask permission in an informal way, not formal. It is not can is not used in formal language. It is in an informal way of asking permission. For example, used to show ability, Manju can speak French and Tamil fluently. Manju can speak French and Tamil frequently. Or I can lift this heavy box. So in both these examples, one's ability is shown. I can lift this box, this heavy box, means I have the ability to lift the heavy box. And Manju can speak French and Tamil fluently, means Manju has the ability to speak fluently Tamil and French. Then could. Could is used as the past form of can. Could is used as the past form of can. For permission, could I use your phone for a while? Could I use your phone for a while? That is asking permission. And in asking permission, could is formal, can is informal, could is formal. Could is more polite than can. When we ask, can I use your mobile phone for a while? The politeness is required there. It's not there. So, could I use your mobile phone for a while? It is more polite. And when we politely ask someone, especially those who are older to us, to them we should ask politely. For that, could is the suitable model. Then, could is also used to talk about someone's ability in the past. Could is used to talk about someone's ability in the past. Leela could paint when she was 3 years old. Leela could paint when she was 3 years old. So the ability in the past. Leela, when she was 3 years old, she had the ability to paint. So could is also used to express the past ability of someone. So I already, when we started could itself, I said that could is the past form of can. And could also is used to, can is used to ask permission, can is used to show the ability. Could is also used to ask permission, and could is used as past form of can to express the past ability. In permission, we should remember that could is more polite than can. Next, may and might. May also, the special function of may is to express possibility and asking permission in a formal way. Could is also used as asking permission in a formal way, and may is also used for expressing possibility as well as formally asking permission. Example of may to ask permission formally: may I leave now? May I leave now? A formal way of asking permission. That is to the higher officials, etc. Students, when ask permission to the teachers, this may is used as a formal way of asking permission. Then may and could, both in asking permission, may and could express more politeness than can. May and could both express more politeness than can. Then may is also used to express possibility. It may get colder during the night. It may get colder during the night. So the possibility. So may is used for formally asking permission, and may is also used to express the possibility. Then might. Might is used as the past form of may, and might is used to express or talk about possibility. Used as the past form of may, but might is not used to ask permission. It expresses possibility. We use might to talk about possibilities. Example: this evening's flight might get cancelled because of bad weather. This evening's flight might get cancelled because of bad weather. Possibility is there. Possibility of cancelling this evening's flight is there. Now, may is also used to express possibility. Might is also used to express possibility. In case of may, the possibilities is more. Chances are more. In might, in the use of might shows a rare possibility, less possibility. In case of may, it is possibility is more. Both convey the future meaning. What may going to happen in the future, that is expressed through may and might. Might, though it is the past form of may, it conveys the message of future. And both are used for expressing possibility. May expresses more possibility than might. Might shows a rare possibility of happening something. So this evening flight might get cancelled because of bad weather. Means possibility is less. But if we say this evening flight may get cancelled because of bad weather, so bad weather is so horrible that the possibilities are more in case of may. But in case of might, less possibility is shown. I hope you understood both the use of can, could, may and might. Thank you for listening to the video.